Hey everybody, got me some Circle K coffee today. Let's switching it up. And there's my truck. Got washed by the rain. Looks not bad, huh? Considering. This is the actual bookstore I am now plowing. Right here, Books Galore, Erie, Pennsylvania. Right here's the area down here. I had to plow. I wasn't certain of that area, but I had to go down in the back. I got to make sure that that's the way they want it plowed. That's when I came to take a look if I did a good job. But I forgot to do my morning intro, and here it is on Peach Street, here in Pennsylvania. Right here, it's literally not bad out. I bet you it's 38 to 42. I didn't see the temperature yet, but we'll see here in a moment. Waiting for my new mirror right here. Got a new mirror coming. I think it's going to be coming today or tomorrow. Right there, the hanging out wires right there. Terrible. But yeah. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like my content. Check out that Dinger 62. That guy's got better content than I do. But I'm just trying to keep with the rest of the people and come up with good, fascinating content that I self-create. As we create our content, nobody else can recreate what we create. Until next time, thanks. The pro you need to know. Edinburgh.